India International Science Festival, or IISF, is a much-awaited annual event celebrating India's achievements in the fields of science, technology and innovation. The objective of IISF is to spread scientific awareness among all sections of society. IISF provides a platform to students, teachers, researchers, innovators, scientists, craftsmen, policymakers and to all the sections of the society to deliberate on the development of the society through science. IISF is being organized since 2015. So far, 5 IISFs have been organized. This year, the 6th edition of the India International Science Festival IISF is being organized in a virtual format from 22nd to 25th December 2020.
लोगों के अंदर एक ऐसी समझ है कि विज्ञान एक बहुत ही कठिन, गंभीर इस प्रकार का विषय है। इसलिए हमने ऐसे सोचा कि विज्ञान को एक उत्सव के रूप में प्रस्तुत करना चाहिए, विज्ञान का उत्सव मनाना चाहिए। इसलिए हमने ये सोचा कि ये भारत का अंतर्राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान महोत्सव इस प्रकार का ये कार्यक्रम विकसित करेंगे।
On November 17th, the curtain raiser of the 6th India International Science Festival was organized in New Delhi. The program was inaugurated by Union Minister of Science and Technology, Earth Sciences and Health and Family Welfare Dr. Harshvardhan in the presence of all the officials of the concerned ministries and departments. Adhering to the COVID-19 guidelines, this year the Mega Festival of Science will be held in a virtual format. The theme of this festival, which will run from the 22nd to 25th December, is Science for Atmanirbhar Bharat and Global Welfare. During the curtain raiser of the festival, website of IISF 2020 and a brochure of the mega event were also launched.
सारा देश जानता है कि 2015 से लगातार हम हर वर्ष देश में इंडिया इंटरनेशनल साइंस फेस्टिवल आयोजित करते हैं। ये हमारा 6ठा साइंस फेस्टिवल है। विज्ञान को कैसे एक फेस्टिवल के रूप में, एक आंदोलन के रूप में देश में विकसित किया जाए, क्योंकि हमारे वैज्ञानिकों का भी यही मत है और यही प्रयास है कि विज्ञान के माध्यम से जनता की सब अनसुलझी समस्याओं का समाधान किया जाए।
The responsibility to organize this mega science festival in collaboration with Vigyan Bharati and all the concerned ministries and departments of Government of India has been given to the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR.
We take science to people in the language that they understand it. See, general public is very curious about what happens in our laboratories and all, and they hardly get to know what scientists behind the walls of laboratories actually do. And even if the general public tries to understand it, for many people is beyond their comprehension. But IISF is one such platform on which we tell people in their own language what happens and all, so that people feel excited and they feel involved that why is society supporting so much of science and technology. So that's one of the major purposes of IISF.
The nodal institution for organizing the 6th IISF is CSIR's National Institute of Science, Technology and Development Studies, that is CSIR NISTADS, based in New Delhi.
We have come up with new events. 13 new events have been added this time, and they are, I will say, need of the hour. For example, sustainable development goals, our environment, how masses should be made aware about the sensitivity towards environment. So we have created a whole lot of events on water, energy.
During IISF 2020, 41 events will be organized on various aspects of science and technology, highlighting the role of Indian science and fight against the current pandemic. Several new events have been added based on relevant issues like history of Indian science, philosophy and science, agri-tech, clean air, energy, waste and sanitation, biodiversity and science diplomacy. as the festival is being organized on a virtual platform, so the reach of the festival is expected to expand further. It is assumed that IISF 2020 will attract more than 1 lakh participants from India and abroad. The Grand Festival of Science will once again provide people from all walks of life a unique platform to share and celebrate the advancements of science, technology and innovation. To know about the various events during IISF 2020, you can visit the website of IISF 2020 or NISTADS. You can also register online to participate in these programs. All of you are requested to participate in these programs in large numbers.